Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay Atome via InstaPay, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. What you have to do is open the Atome Cash app and navigate to the bills to view your ongoing bills. Select bill you wish to pay and click on the Pay Now button. Choose the payment method. As InstaPay you can change the payment method here and choose the payment method. After that, unique InstaPay payment code will be generated and copy the payment code. Click on the link provided below the payment code to access our list of supported banks. So here now have to pay through the InstaPay code, the item 16-digit InstaPay code open a bank mobile application website or your preferred wallet. Select the option to send money to the bank. Look for the InstaPay logo and select it as transfer method. Enter the recipient amount name, which can be Atome Cash, and post it in the stop pay code you copied earlier. Confirm the transaction detail. You will receive one-time passcode on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. Once the OTP is verified, the payment will be completed and you will receive a confirmation. And that's it, you're done.